Thank you everyone. Now new chapter, water. Water, it is a compound and its chemical formula is H2O. Water is formed by the two elements hydrogen and oxygen. One molecule of water is made by two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. In water, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen by their volume is 2:1, whereas the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 1:8 by their weight. Be remember, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1 by their volume, but this ratio is 1:8 by their weight. Now, we know that water is essential for life. Without water, it is not possible to survive. All forms of life, like plants, animals, or humans, need water. Now, what the uses of water? First of all, plants. Plants need water for their germination. Without water, germination is not possible. Not only for water, oxygen is also needed there. Now, secondly, water is needed by plants during photosynthesis. Plant makes their food by process of photosynthesis, and their raw materials are needed there is water and carbon dioxide. So, water is the one of the most needed component for photosynthesis. Now, the third point is the water helps in transportation of minerals and food in the various parts of the plants. Plant prepare their food in their leaf, but this prepared food is needed to transport in the various part of its body, and this transportation takes place through water. Also, plant absorbs minerals by their roots, and these minerals need to reach into their leaves, and it is also done by water. Now, humans use of water. Humans need water to digest their food, and after digestion, the simplest food is absorbed, and also water helps to absorb the digest food. Secondly, water is the main component of our blood. That is the base component of our blood, and this blood is the transportation medium of our body. Many types of hormones, foods, oxygen, carbon dioxide, all are transported through the blood. Number 3, various types of excretion process is maintained through water. That means the waste substance are thrown outside our body by the process of excretion, through urine or through sweats, and all bases are water. Number 4, water regulates our body temperature. And number 5, we need water to meet our daily requirements like bathing, cleaning and washing. These are the uses of water by plants and humans. Now, the source of water. Source of water, that means from where we get water. There are 3 types of source of water. One is the rainwater, another is the surface water, and third one is the groundwater. Rainwater, it is the purest form of the natural water. Now the surface water. Surface water have 2 types. One is the ocean and sea water, and the second is river, lake, stream and pond water. Sea and ocean water, it is the saline water or salty water due to the presence of greater amount of various types of minerals. It is unfit for consumption and also it is unfit for the other uses like irrigation or industrial purpose. But river, lake and stream or pond water, it is a fresh water. It can be consumed after purification. Also, this water is used for irrigation and industrial purpose because it is the fresh water. Now third one is the groundwater. It is fit for consumption and other uses like irrigation and industrial purpose. Groundwater can be obtained from wells, tube wells and natural spring. These are the source of water. Now, what is water table? Rainwater falling on the earth's surface seeps down and gets accumulated under the ground. So under the ground, a water level is maintained. This level of water under the ground is called water table. Groundwater is fit for consumption. Now the question is why? Groundwater is fit for consumption because it gets filtered while passing through different layers of rocks and sand. Since it is filtered, then it is used for consumption. But it is not 100% safe for bacteria and virus. But in our India, in rural area, the groundwater is used for the consumption. Thank you.